Alright, so as y'all can see, we about to attempt to get the tires changed. We all questioning if them shits are even gonna fit, bro, because you're originally supposed to run 40s. Oh, it's not barely, I can see it. You really supposed to run 40s, bro, but I went up an inch, bro, and went 45s. So we're about to find out if them shits are even gonna fit, bro. And we all kind of question it right now. Like it's 45s in the front, but let me see if y'all can see it. Where is it at? There we go. It's 45s in the front, but in the rear, we're kind of questioning it, cause bro, those tires look fucking huge, bro. One is already running 45. He's running like 285 45s. So I should be able to fit 275 45 20s. But I'm not gonna run 45s no more though. Like that'll be my last time running 45s. Cause I kind of like the whole like small look of the 40s. And plus also it doesn't throw off your miles per hour. Alright, so I'm back. I have the thumbnail, but yeah, just so y'all can kind of see what this joint looking like. I don't know if I showed it already. I forgot, bro, already. Yes, my mind is cooked. But these shits are overly fucking huge. And I'm on Lawrence Springs, bro. I don't know how this shit is about to look. Y'all please, and when I mean please, bro, I can't cross my fingers right now, but bro, pray that these shits fit. They supposedly they fit though. Like they fit their own right now, so they gotta fit. But like with the Lawrence Springs, this nigga just downshifted, bro. He's supposed to hit that bit. He's not downshifting. That nigga is just burping the gas. But yeah, y'all pray for me, bro, that these shits fit well. I mean, they're on until we lower this bitch. Okay, here go the last wheel right here. But they're on until it gets dropped. And then when it gets dropped, that's the scary part, bro. Like if I could at least have like, I say at least a finger, that's fine. Anything like if I can't fit a finger, that might be bad, bro. Oh my goodness, bro, this shit is sitting crazy. Let me see. I listened to Griff. Let's see if Griff was right. Oh shit, nah, that nigga Griff was right, bro. No, he won't lie. Them bitches are poking now. Oh my god. This shit sits up overly high in the rear. Fuck. Now how this shit gonna drive, I don't know, but we about to figure it out, bro. If they don't though, we'll go back to 40s. Which I can see though, I did pay that shit. We'll go back to goddamn 40s if it don't. So, yep. Let me goddamn put y'all boys. Alright.
Hey, thank you, brother.
No problem. Let me go ahead and go to like a gas station or something and prop y'all up, and then we'll talk about, I guess, like the new look, I guess, because I don't want to do it here, you feel me? So yeah, hold up. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright, for some reason my car feel weird as hell. I don't know why though, bro. It's probably, I don't know, it's been a break, bro. Let's see. Are you dead ass right now, B? Are you dead ass? Oh yeah, I can't even see this shit. There you go. Put it down just a little bit. Boom, there you go. Be straight. Okay, this bitch gripping. This bitch is gripping. Ooh, this is the first time I done drove my car. So this is first time Diablo tune with actually tires that grip. Cause usually I'm spinning this shit cause of rocks and all that older, like, you feel me? All that, I said older, wow. All that other shit, you feel me? Let me see where I turn at. I turn right here. Bro, I'll never forget this damn street. A nigga almost hit me, bro. I had to lock you in on, bro. Cause I'm like, bro, what the hell are you doing? Just doing dumb shit. Bro seen me pulling out, bro. He being a weirdo. Hold on, there's cameras all over there, bitch. Let me lock in real quick, little twin. Hold up. Cause they will get your ass. No cap. Boy, they packing niggas up. Hey, let me know though, bro, if y'all boys missed the POVs, bro. I have not gave y'all boys a Diablo tune POV yet. But it's also because I be working so damn much. I barely drive. Like, I drive to work and home. That's it. I don't even do all the extra shit, really. So, That's probably why y'all niggas don't be getting POVs the way I used to. Like back then, I used to just go driving just to drive. Like, you feel me? But trust me, bro. Hold, let me make sure. I keep going straight. But yeah, bro, I got y'all niggas, bro. We gonna get right. I want to get y'all a pool, but look where we at. Like, you feel me? We in a crazy ass little spot right now. Oh shit. Ooh shit. But yeah, let me goddamn get to this spot real quick for y'all boys. All right, hold up. As y'all boys can see though, bro, them bitches is on there, bro. Them shits damn near sit. Oh shit, them shits damn near sit. Like these ones in the front almost, if y'all see it. Yes, I know my shit hanging, bro. But yeah, it damn near sit like the ones in the front. I don't know. Shit, I'm keep it with y'all. I ain't feel no rubbing, no nothing, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. With this damn wing, this shit catches everything. I'm probably gonna get another wing, and then when I install it, I probably go to like a Zell crib or something for like a few days and just let this shit sit. Cause I let this shit sit in my crib and look at that shit, bro. It's just all like, and it's all down the whole fucking wing. But shit, bro, this shit sit though. I mean, it don't look bad. It damn near look even now. I don't know. Y'all let me know, bro. What y'all think, bro? This shit, it look like it sit even now. Shit. I need to clean my fucking wheels, bro. I need to go to a car wash. That's what I'm gonna do. I probably smack a car wash tomorrow. And then shit. And I'm gonna take this off too. I don't want this shit on here no more. For like multiple reasons. Number one, it looked bad. Bro, the way that whole shit right here happened. Bro, we was in fucking South Carolina. And when we put this shit on, it was hot as hell, bro. And I don't know if like I don't know, bro. But like the shit, like, this will sound crazy, bro. This shit shrunk. Like you can see it on this side. It shrunk, bro. So, nah, like it's on there, but like that shit shrunk. And when we first put it on there, it was so fucking hot. Like if you like once you put it on here, like for like 2 seconds maybe, you could dead ass still slide it. So I don't know, bro. I'm stressed the fuck out, bro. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, finally getting the tires changed. And yes, nigga, them bitches are gripping, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to that boy Griff, goddamn it, goddamn, you feel me? Shout out to Griff though, bro. But yeah, them bitches, they on there now, so now we actually can grip. So I don't know. Front ones are fine, bro. These shits should last. Yeah, these shits will last a good minute, bro, because they're in the front. So who fucking knows, bro? But yeah, appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. I am finna get out this shit, bro. This will be out right now, bro. We getting back into, I guess, like the whole motion of this shit, bro. Don't worry, you know what I'm saying? We getting stuff done slowly, bro. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. I'm out.